Blasting causes distortion due to heat. In this video, I'm going to test that theory. Most of us will have seen or heard of distorted bodywork on vehicles after media blasting. The distortion can be quite bad, but what's going on? I'm making a test piece to find out. I have seen a VW bus after blasting and the surface was so wavy on the previously flat panels it looked like roofing sheets. Although the distortion can be surprisingly large, the amount of material is actually moving is rather small and not so easy to measure. What I decided to do is make a concave cymbal type shape. I'm doing this by stretching the centre to raise it. The perimeter has been left alone or shrunk to make this shape. My homemade English wheel is going to help me here. I've drilled a hole in the centre for measuring the distance raised by stretching. What this measures after blasting should tell me whether the part has been stretched or shrunk. I'm using coarse glass grit in the cabinet with some aluminium oxide. These are considered highly abrasive materials. After blasting, we can see the disc has been raised by 0.58mm, indicating it's been stretched. So if we now heat the panel to red hot in the centre and let it cool naturally, we should see the opposite happen. The panel has shrunk back by 0.41mm, so heat shrinks and blasting stretches. I think the myth that blasting causes enough heat to distort is busted. Here is my theory on why heat shrinks. When you heat a panel in the centre, the material wants to expand, but it's being resisted by the cold material surrounding it. This produces a compressive force, which when the material is hot enough, the pressure from the cold material starts to win the battle and forces the hot material smaller. Then when cooled, the hot part of the panel has shrunk from its original size. That's only my theory, but I would be interested to see if anyone agrees with this or has a different opinion. Thanks for watching.